Hey guys, today we're going to talk about why you should choose an interior room for your next cruise.
And we'll give you the top 5 reasons why it might be right for you.
That's right, so stick around, we'll be right back.
Right after this.
Okay, let's get right into it. What do you think the number one reason is for choosing an interior room?
The cost. Of course, the cost.
Of course it's the cost. Who doesn't want to save money on their cruise?
Yes.
Me.
What's our general motto? Spend less, cruise more.
Absolutely, and a way to do that is to pick an interior room because it is most likely always going to save you more money than picking a balcony or, of course, a suite.
Now, you can even save a little more and do the guaranteed interior and let the cruise ship pick it for you, and that's even a little cheaper. You're taking the chance, but I mean, really, honestly, are there bad rooms on a cruise ship?
Yeah, we've done that before, and we've always got a great room.
Yeah.
Saved more money.
Save money.
Why not? We do it. It works for us. So that is going to be your number one reason why you might want to pick an interior room for your next cruise. Okay. Moving right along, let's get to the number 2 item on our list for why you might want to pick an interior room.
For the great sleep. It's pitch black in an interior room.
Yes.
You wake up, you have no idea what time, what day, anything. That's why we always bring a little clock, because you just really have no idea. With no windows in there, it's just, you lose all track of time.
That is so true. You have no idea what time it is when you wake up. But I'm a bad sleeper, so an interior room really helps me with the pitch blackness of it, the cool air. Just put that AC down as low as it can go so you're nice and cool, and less likely to hear noise from, say, if you had a balcony, your next door neighbor balcony is making noise, waking you up, keeping you up at night. So yeah, that is a bonus for having an interior room. Great sleep. Quiet sleep. No outside noisy neighbors to deal with.
So that is reason number 2. Good sleep. That helps with her.
Yes, it does. Okay, the next item on our list, reason number 3, why you might want to pick an interior room on your next cruise is you basically get the same exact room as you would if you had picked a balcony. It is the same size.
Yeah. So you get the same bed. You get the same closet space. You get the same bathroom. You get the same shampoo. The same body wash. Everything's the same as an upgraded room.
That's right. And your room gets serviced by the attendants just the same as it would if you had picked a balcony.
Yes.
The only difference is you don't have that balcony.
Yeah.
Which is okay for us. And that's how we like to save money. We would rather spend our money on excursions.
Casino.
For me, the casino. So yeah, we would much rather spend our money on other things than a balcony, which we're not really going to use. So that's the number 3 reason why you should pick an interior room. Okay, so that kind of leads into our next item on our list. Item number 4 is you don't feel pressured to spend all your time in your room.
Yeah. We are definitely on the go kind of people. We're there for the ship, not for that quiet time that if you have a balcony, you feel obligated, oh, I want to stay out on the balcony. We'd rather be out doing things.
Yes, basically all we use our room for is to sleep and shower.
Yep.
That's pretty much it.
Now, it is multiple times during the day. Go back if you ever watch our videos.
Yes.
We are back and forth, but we don't spend time there.
Yeah, so we just didn't feel like we used our balcony enough to justify that extra cost. It just didn't make sense for us.
No. We'd rather, again, just be out enjoying the ship. I mean, there's so many things to do out there.
Yeah.
Why am I going to pay extra for something that I'm not going to even use that much?
Exactly. We are like always out doing things, exploring.
Yeah.
The
great shows, the slides, everything,
Yeah, so if you're like us, you might not use that balcony as much as you thought you would. So it's probably not worth that extra cost. So that's number 4 on our list. Okay, that brings us to our final item on our list the number 5 reason why you should pick an interior room on your next cruise is, depending on your itinerary, if you have a port-intensive cruise itinerary, you're going to be off the ship so much, you're not going to be able to enjoy that balcony. You won't have enough time.
That's right. You're busy out there doing excursions. You're snorkeling. You're jumping off cliffs.
Yeah.
You're taking tours of the city. You know, you get back and then dinner time, you just don't have time to enjoy that balcony.
Yeah, you get back from your excursion, you shower, you go to dinner, you go to a show, then you go to sleep.
Yeah, exactly.
So, I mean, it just doesn't make sense, especially for us, to spend that extra money for a balcony that you may use once for your whole cruise.
Yeah.
I mean, it's unlikely that you're going to use it enough to justify the extra cost. So,
yeah, so when you've got a bunch of ports,
yeah,
it just doesn't make sense.
Yeah, because you're just not on the ship enough to enjoy it.
That's right.
So, that is our top 5 reasons why you should pick an interior room. Okay, so there you go. There are our top 5 reasons why you just might want to pick an interior room on your next cruise.
Yeah, just save money.
Yes, if you're like us and you have a budget you need to stick to and you don't have unlimited income, you're going to pick that interior room just so you can cruise more often. We love to cruise, and one way we do that is choosing those interior rooms and saving a lot of money.
Well, remember the very first cruise we did,
Yes.
you insisted on getting a balcony room, and we did.
Yes, many years ago, he wanted to go on a cruise, and I was like, absolutely not. I will only go on a cruise if you get a balcony. So we got a balcony for our first cruise ever, and we enjoyed it, but not to the point where we had to get it again.
Exactly.
We didn't use it enough to justify that extra cost. It felt kind of silly to us after we got it.
Yeah, except for that first night when you got a little seasick, but
Yeah.
we used it that night, but yeah.
Yeah, so overall, a balcony just doesn't do it for us to substantiate that extra cost. So we like to save money. You might like to save money. So those are our reasons why you might want to pick an interior room.
Yep. So if you found any of this information useful, please like and subscribe below.
That's right. And also, leave us some comments. We really do enjoy reading your comments.
Yes.
So do you guys pick an interior room every time? Sometimes do you splurge on that balcony?
Yeah. Are you balcony for life?
Yes. So let us know down in the comments what you guys do on your cruises.
All right. Well, we'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Bye.